CIET NCERT presents Audiobook of Mathematics for Class 6. Chapter 6 Integers. Page 120.
Part 2.
Exercise 6.1. 1. Write opposites of the following. A. Increase in weight. B. 30 kilometers north. C. 80 meters east. D. Loss of rupees 700. E. 100 meters above sea level. 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. A. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2,000 meters above the ground. B. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meters below the sea level. C. A deposit of rupees 200. D. Withdrawal of rupees 700. 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. A. Plus 5. B. Minus 10. C. Plus 8. D. Minus 1. E. Minus 6. 4. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. A. If point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? Page 121. B. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? C. Write integers for points B and E. D. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? E. Arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Place, temperature. Siachen, 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Shimla, 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Ahmedabad, 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Delhi, 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Srinagar, 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. A. Write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. B. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. C. Which is the coolest place? D. Write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? A. 2, 9. B. Minus 3, minus 8. C. 0, minus 1. D. Minus 11, 10. E. Minus 6, 6. F. 1, minus 100. 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. A. 0 and minus 7. B. Minus 4 and 4. C. Minus 8 and minus 15. D. Minus 30 and minus 23. 8. A. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. B. Write 4 integers less than minus 10. 9. For the following statements, write true, T, or false, F. If the statement is false, correct the statement. A. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. B. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. C. Smallest negative number is minus 1. D. Minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Page 122. 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. A. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2? B. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? C. If we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? D. If we are at -6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -1? 6.3. Addition of integers. Do this. Going up and down. In Mohan's house, there are stairs for going up to the terrace and for going down to the go-down. Let us consider the number of stairs going up to the terrace as positive integer, the number of stairs going down to the go-down as negative integer, and the number representing ground level as 0. Do the following and write down the answer as integer. A. Go 6 steps up from the ground floor. B. Go 4 steps down from the ground floor. C. Go 5 steps up from the ground floor and then go 3 steps up further from there. D. Go 6 steps down from the ground floor and then go down further 2 steps from there. Page 123. E. Go down 5 steps from the ground floor and then move up 12 steps from there. F. Go 8 steps down from the ground floor and then go up 5 steps from there. G. Go 7 steps up from the ground floor and then 10 steps down from there. Amina wrote them as follows. A. +6, B. -4, C. +5 +3 is equal to +8. D. -6 plus -2 is equal to -4. E. -5 plus +12 is equal to +7. F. -8 plus +5 is equal to -3. G. +7 plus -10 is equal to 17. She has made some mistakes. Can you check her answers and correct those that are wrong? Try these. Draw a figure on the ground in the form of a horizontal number line as shown below. Frame questions as given in the said example and ask your friends. A game. Take a number strip marked with integers from +25 to -25. Take 2 dice, one marked 1 to 6 and the other marked with 3 plus signs and 3 minus signs. Players will keep different colored buttons or plastic counters at the 0 position on the number strip. In each throw, the player has to see what she has obtained on the 2 dice. If the first dice shows 3 and the second dice shows minus sign, she has -3. If the first dice shows 5 and the second dice shows plus sign, then she has +5. Whenever a player gets the plus sign, she has to move in the forward direction, that is, towards +25, and if she gets minus sign, then she has to move in the backward direction, that is, towards -25. Page 124. Each player will throw both dice simultaneously. A player whose counter touches -25 is out of the game, and the one whose counter touches +25 first wins the game. You can play the same game with 12 cards marked with +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 and +6 and -1, -2 and so on up to -6. Shuffle the cards after every attempt. Kamla, Reshma and Meenu are playing this game. Kamla got +3, plus 2 plus 6 in 3 successive attempts. She kept her counter at the mark plus 11. Reshma got minus 5 plus 3 plus 1. She kept her counter at minus 1. Meenu got plus 4 minus 3 minus 2 in 3 successive attempts. At what position will her counter be? At minus 1 or at plus 1? Do this. Take two different colored buttons like white and black. Let us denote one white button by plus 1 and one black button by minus 1. A pair of one white button, that is plus 1, and one black button, that is minus 1, will denote 0, that is 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 0. In the following table, integers are shown with the help of colored buttons. Colored button, integers. 5 white buttons, 5. 3 black buttons, minus 3. 1 white button, 1 black button, 0. Let us perform additions with the help of the colored buttons. Observe the following table and complete it. 3 white buttons plus 2 white buttons is equal to 5 white buttons. Plus 3 plus 2 is equal to plus 5. 2 black buttons plus 1 black button is equal to 3 black buttons. Minus 2 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 3. 4 white buttons plus 1 white button is equal to 5 white buttons. Dash. 4 black buttons plus 2 black buttons is equal to dash. Dash. Page 125. Try these. Find the answers of the following additions. A. Minus 11 plus minus 12. B. Plus 10 plus 4. C. Minus 32 plus minus 25. D. Plus 23 plus 40. You add when you have two positive integers like plus 3 plus 2 is equal to plus 5, which is equal to 3 plus 2. You also add when you have two negative integers, but the answer will take a minus sign, like minus 2 plus minus 1 is equal to minus within brackets 2 plus 1, which is equal to minus 3. Now, add one positive integer with one negative integer with the help of these buttons. Remove buttons in pairs, that is, a white button with a black button, since plus 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 0. Check the remaining buttons. A. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 plus 3, which is equal to minus 1 plus 0 equal to minus 1. B. Plus 4 plus minus 3 equal to plus 1 plus 3 plus minus 3 equal to plus 1 plus 0 equal to plus 1. You can see that the answer of 4 minus 3 is 1 and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So, when you have one positive and one negative integer, you must subtract, but answer will take the sign of the bigger integer. Ignoring the signs of the numbers, decide which is bigger. Try these. Find the solution of the following. A. Minus 7 plus 8. B. Minus 9 plus 13. C. Plus 7 plus minus 10. D. Plus 12 plus minus 7. Some more examples will help. C. Plus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to plus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 3, which is equal to 0 plus minus 3, which is equal to minus 3. D. Plus 6 plus minus 4 is equal to plus 2 plus 4 plus minus 4 is equal to plus 2 plus 0, which is equal to plus 2. You were just listening to the audiobook Mathematics for Class 6. Narrator Gaurav Marva. Assistants in production Soumya Malik. Producer Vimlesh Chaudhary. Presented by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.